Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Beauty by Mona. Welcome. I created this look for a New Year's Eve, 31st night. Very smoky look, glitter black. Why not? Create a look like this. So this is the get ready with me video. So if you want to see how I created all this look, keep on watching. Sorry about my red eye, I just poked myself in this eye here, so it's red. Excuse it for a second. I'll put my contact lens on and I poked myself in the eye, so it's just a little bit red, but it's gonna be fine. First of all, I'm just gonna use my eye therapy under eye mask. It's by Beauty Pro. Put that under my eyes. It's 20 minutes treatment. This is on. I'm just gonna go do my brows off camera and be right back. So my brows are done. I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution foundation. This foundation is just £9. I got it from Beauty Bay. The shade F13. I'm not sure if this is my shade, but let's try it anyway. What's the harm? I'm gonna use NYX Pore Filler Primer around my T-zone. I'm gonna do my eyes and I'm gonna use this palette. It's the Makeup Revolution palette with Soph. This is my very first Makeup Revolution palette. I will be priming my eyes with the Makeup Revolution concealer in C1. I'm gonna use this as my eyeshadow base. Top of my eyelid. You can blend this out. I'm gonna start off with Cheesecake. Do my transition color. I'm just tapping it on and blending at the same time. I think that pigmentation is great. So to blend it out, I'm going to use cookie dough. Just going to blend it into my brow bone. Next up, I'm going to use Reputation. Put that at the outer, maybe patting down the shade. I'm just going to blend it into the circle of that. Still patting it down. I'm just going to get a clean brush and just blend it in. I go in with the concealer in C1 to cover crease. And I'm just going to look down. I'm using a flat brush to do this. This gives me a more precise cover crease. I'm gonna use the shade Infinity, this silver finger, just to dab it on. And then I'll put the brush to left. Even with my finger, it's so pigmented, very pigmented. Then we go in with the brush, just for the inner bit, because I've got the nails on. It's very hard to make up with nails on. I'm gonna go in with the black again. Just to blend it. Look more. I'm putting more products on the brush, just whatever is left. Blend it in so there's no demarcation. Let's make sure everything is just blended seamlessly. Okay, I'm gonna add some glitter. I'm gonna use the Collection Glam Crystals. This is a glitter liner to put some line the crease. not supposed to actually look up. Just wait for that to dry. So I can do the other eye. So just take this off. Oh, it's so good. It smells like aloe vera. I'm just gonna go in with my foundation shade I am. So I just went with whatever shade. Alright, what I will be. Sorry. Don't come for me. This is not my shade. I have a little bit more around my lip area and my chin. Shade wise, so I just guessed and bought it online. Don't be like me. I can make things work. Please go and get a swatch of it first before you buy. It's actually not a bad shade. I'm gonna use the highlighter concealer in C12. That's just it to get a bit tacky. So I'm gonna go on and put my lashes on. These are my favorite lashes. This is from Aliexpress, and I absolutely love these lashes. I use the Inglot 77 gel liner just to line my eyes. My lashes are on. I'm gonna blend out the concealer and highlighter. I'm gonna use Can't Stop Won't Stop to just do a light contour. To give me that type of bronze look. I'm gonna use the Sasha Buttercup setting powder to set my concealer. Set all my smile lines. Just gonna set my smile lines. It's right here, so it doesn't move. Just gonna put a little bit of my nose now. I'm gonna go back into my eyes and I'm just gonna do my lower lash line. I'm gonna use the same brush with Repetition, just the black in the palette, and I'm just gonna brush it on underneath the lower lash line. And I'm just gonna put some mascara on my lower lash line. I'm gonna set my face with the L'Oreal Truematch, and this is in the shade Golden Cappuccino. I'm gonna bronze with my bronzer, which is the Covergirl Queen's bronzer in Ebony. I've actually run out, so I think I'm gonna just try and get a little bit out too. use that to slightly contour my nose. For a blusher, I'm going to use the Milani blush in Berry and More. Since I bought this blush, I've been using it like crazy. Blush, a flash of color. For highlighting, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild highlighter. It's in the shade Precious Pearl. Got this from Beauty Bay. Beautiful highlight. A lip liner, I'm going to use NYX lip liner in Espresso. Also MU8 Lux Lacquer, shade Tranquility. I'm going to spray my face with my rose water just to set everything in place. I got these hair from Aliespress, and this is by Asteria hair. Just for you, beauty. A 360 wig. I don't know how you explain it, honestly. So it goes around in a circle. And I got this in 24 inches. So this is 24 inches Brazilian hair. And it's straight. In the bag that it came in. You get your... Ooh. Okay, so you get a free wig cup. 3 eyelashes. This is too thin. I like my eyelashes thick. If you want natural lashes, that's another thing. And then you get a Christmas card, the hair. Just taking it out, just unboxing it for you guys. You can see it's in a net. So this is how a 360 wig looks like. So this is my first 360 wig. Usually I just go for a frontal wig. So this one is all the way around in circle. So you can pull it up in the ponytail. How long it is. Feels very soft. And I'm guessing this is the front because it's got the baby hairs. Quite long for baby. It's got 3 combs. And 1 at the back. 2 at the sides. Structure inside. So there's 1 comb there, 1 comb there, and then there's 1 comb in the back. It's got straps as well, adjustable straps. Take this off and put it on. I haven't done anything to my edges. So push it. It's not in the best place right now. Throw this bad boy on. Okay. So this is how it's looking like. Obviously I'm gonna cut the lace, try to fix the ear a bit. It comes all the way covering my ear. So I'm gonna have to cut all this bit off. The hairline is actually not too bad. I usually like my hair thick. This is quite thin. This is 250 density. This is my very first Brazilian straight hair. I'm gonna cut some of the lace off it and style it. So I've taken the wig off my head and cut the extra lace off it. It's really so hard to do, so I will try my best to do on camera. They're not going to be focused. I'm going to cut the front bit off my head. Sorry in advance if I'm off camera. Cut off this lace. Just looking down at the mirror. Okay, so the lace is gone and I'm going to construct it a little bit more. I'm going to use the got to be right. I'm just going to put some here. I'm going to cut off this baby hair because it's too long. Next I'm going to use a mousse. You can use any mousse, I'm just using this one here. It's pretty on. Style the baby hair. So I know this is a bit too much. I'll brush the rest of the hair. I haven't washed this hair, so it's really thin. I'm hoping when I wash it, it's gonna be more thicker. So just gonna let it fall. Get my outfit on and be right back. Yeah. Put on a lot of weight, guys. Don't judge. Do not judge me. Over all the food we've eaten this Christmas, I'm sure everybody else is putting on weight. So okay, so this dress is from Pretty Little Thing. This is in size 12, I believe. It looks from the back. It's not really glitter, it's more sequins. If you've made it to the end of the video, this is how the look turned out. Very nice, sexy glitter look, matching with the dress that I'm wearing. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you're gonna be up to this New Year's Eve. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Happy New Year, stay safe and stay blessed. Love you. You go on crazy, so thick, you go on, go. Dangote na my father.